Every day you take care of everyone. But tell me honestly, who is taking care of your life? In the mornings, you wake up, same kitchen, same people, same routine. You put the milk to boil, pack the tiffin, reply to school messages, and somewhere in between, a small thought comes. I should do something for myself. And just like that, you push it aside. Not because you don't want more, but because it doesn't feel like the right time. Abhi nahi. After my kids' exams get over, after my husband finishes his project, this is not an auspicious time. I'll start later. It's Rahu Kalam, Mangal Grah, etc. etc.
इतना लाइफ खराब हो गया है, इतना लाइफ खराब हो गया है मेरा।
But tell me honestly, when was the last time life actually settled? And somewhere, this belief didn't just come from you, it was planted.
क्या बात कर रहे हैं?
Hi, I'm Nitya Rangarajan, and I help moms build their first million, not just by teaching business, but by helping you shift who you believe you are. And that's exactly what tonight's episode of Full on Self Motivation is all about. As Dilwale Dulhaniya Le Jayenge made popular, Farida Jalal said,
मैं तो ये भूल ही गई थी कि औरत को वादा करने का भी कोई हक नहीं है।
that line wasn't just emotional, it quietly normalized something at large in our society. That a woman's dream come later after everything else is handled. And it's not just films. Every day, in small ways, you hear the same thing. Let me plan later. Oh, maid has not come. Guests are coming. So let me plan for this. And then travel is also there. Okay, let me actually prepare for that. Right? So you keep adjusting, you delay, you over prepare for things that didn't even need that much control. And slowly, without even realizing it, your life stops being about what you want and starts revolving around what is expected. I read something years ago that stayed with me. You don't rise to your goals, you fall to your patterns. And I realized I wasn't stuck because I didn't know what to do. I was stuck because I kept showing up as the same version of me. Now imagine this. Tomorrow morning, nothing in your life changes. Same house, same responsibilities, but you are different. You wake up and instead of saying, let me finish everything first, you say, my work matters too. You get 20 minutes and instead of scrolling, you sit down and start something. Even if it is messy, even if it is imperfect. No big plan, no perfect setup, just action. That shift is called an identity shift. For 24 hours, you stop being the version of you who delays and you step into the version of you who does. No overthinking, no waiting, no doubting. Same life, but a completely different energy. Because the truth is, when you finally take charge of your own life, your family also sees the change in them. You've just been trained to put yourself last. What will people say? What if I fail? Let me not disturb the balance. And slowly, your dreams become something you keep postponing. But here is the truth, you don't need 1 year, you don't need a perfect plan. You just need one day where you show up differently. Because once you experience that version of you, you cannot unsee it. Your life doesn't change with time, it changes with identity. So start with just one day. And if you want to go deeper to build income, shift your mindset, and create your first million, you can join my Millionaire Mom program because your future is not waiting for you. It's waiting for the version of you who finally decides.